Well, good morning, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Steel Horse Travels. Welcome to the Big Top. This is a shaded tent that we're under. We have to be inside. I don't know if it's a county thing, state thing, or whatever, but we have to be inside containment. So yeah, it's a little tight, not too shabby. The fellers are unloading me right now as we speak, so it's all good. I just wanted to show you how nice and tight we get. We can't even swing the doors completely, so it's all good, part of the job. Yes. So, all right, guys, on that, I'll get back to you. Good morning. Welcome to another episode of Steel Horse Travels, taking the show under the big top. Love you guys. Well, we are done unloaded. Anybody want a palm tree farm? Don't see that often up in Minnesota. This is their agriculture part of the Phoenix. This is south of Tolleson. I'm not sure what it says we're in Phoenix, so but this is the way south side. Apologize for the sun in advance. But we're headed over to the 202, head south out of the southeast beltway out of Phoenix. So we can get on, I believe it's Highway 10. Try to cut some of that sun and glare out of there. So, get up on the 202 that picks up Highway 10 and heads south down to Tucson. Truck's reading 51 degrees, but it's a nice 51. There's no real breeze, so it's actually not too shabby. Let's go, wagon. Don't hold me up. Somebody needs some breakfast. Oh, those guys did. Those things are hit or miss. There's some that you go to that are just like better than some five-star dining that I've gone to. And then you go to some of those food trucks and, well, it is what it is, as they would say. All right, guys, I've rambled enough. Let's get out of here. Let's get on the highway to Tucson. Quick pop back in. Bet you didn't think you'd see a dairy farm in Phoenix. But you do. That's a dairy farm, y'all. Phoenix has some moo-moos. Yeah, birds. There's their moo-moos. Yep, like I said, this is their agriculture part of Phoenix, so. Alright guys, just thought you'd like to see that. I'll get back to you. Well, we are here, but they might be going to lunch. So this is going to be a load from the ground. We're going to have a pallet jack inside my trailer, and excuse me. So we'll get in here. Think skinny. It's supposed to be around 28 to 30,000 pounds, so which would be good because it gives me a little bit of weight instead of I thought it was going to be around okay, taxi, what are we doing? Yeah, thank you, because I'm supposed to sit up against that wall straight ahead until they call me and tell me to come, and I drive around the end of this building. Now, yeah. That's gonna be fun because I gotta drive right around the end of that building right there. I gotta think skinny hiney, skinny butt, get backed up and wait to see what these guys are gonna do. They're supposed to call me when they're ready. Some of the areas that we get into. But he said it'd only take about 20 minutes or so to half hour to get loaded once I get over there. They're pretty quick, he said. So I'm just backing up to get a little closer to this wall on everybody else's way, so I'm not in the way. Wow. Yep. So, all right, guys. Well, I've taken enough time. I'll get back to you when we're going to go around the corner, and yeah, they even took my driver's license to. All right, guys. Yeah, they took my driver's license so they can verify who I am and take a copy of it. So yeah, I'll be walking over there here in a minute. All right, guys. Well, they just decided to go to lunch. It's about 11:45 our time, 10:45 here. I'm going to be loading out of that brown building right there. But I got to go around. Let me see. Where that little white car, let me see. Right there. And that truck, I got to go between that building and that building. I got to get skinny where those, I don't think you can see them now. They're probably gone around the corner, but I got to go around the end of that building right there. So I got to swing wide next to the dumpsters, and we'll get her. We'll be next. Here comes another one in here. All right, guys, on that, I'll get back to you. Hey, let's go get it. Skinny butt, skinny butt, skinny butt,
Slim fast, slim fast, slim fast. Right in the middle?
Not sure I'll stop you.
There we are. That ought to be fun driving out of here and taking out that tree on the corner. That ought to be fun. Swing wide. Everything is skinny, skinny, hiney. Well, if everything goes right, they get me loaded. Shooting for Santa Rosa or somewhere thereafter. Somewhere between Santa Rosa, New Mexico and Tucumcari yet today. Long haul. Let's pitter patter. Let's get at her. Let's go get loaded. That just sounds funny. Let's go get loaded. Love you. I'm out. side. This is where I'm glad I got at least a 28, somewhere between 28 and 30,000 pounds. They listed as 28, but didn't put the pallets in there with it, so I would assume I'm somewhere pretty darn close to 30,000, almost 30K. So, all right, guys. Well, yeah, just a lot of wind. Fight, fight, fight. All right, guys. I'll get back to you. More dust. Just one of them days. Well, let's see how deep this one goes. The other one was in Arizona. This one's in New Mexico. This is the Deming, New Mexico area. Not a long one. Still windy though. Welcome to Las Cruces. About 3.5 miles from jumping off of 10, Interstate 10, and getting onto US 25. Heading north only for a little spell, and then jumping on to, I believe it's like 70 east, I believe it is. And then we get on 54 going north. We wiggle our way up to yeah, this wind is nuts. I'll just say it. Yeah, it's just crazy town. But as they would say in the biz, it is what it is. So the wind continues. I think I figured out the title of my video to this uplink today. As the wind turns, or something like that. Alright guys, welcome to dusty Las Cruces. I gotta get over. Alright guys, on that, God bless, love you guys, and as always, I'll get back to you. Okay, I apologize right now in advance if you can hear me. The wind is horrible today. I'm trying to turn it around. Yeah, that wind is bad. This section just might be photographs. Today is I'm not going to be able able to walk over there and get any photos. That's just going to be too crazy to try to. It's just too windy, guys. That's a very secret base out there. I'm not sure which one that is, but it's pretty important. I know that much. I know that I see guards as I drive by. It's kind of hard to see because the mountains are covered in dust. Yeah. That's a nice looking picture. Welcome to White Sands National Park. And now it's time to go into the inspection station. Let's just see what they have to say. Looking things on the right there, that just x-rayed my truck, trailer, checked the heat of my brakes, did everything. Welcome to the modern day technology. Canine on duty. Bet you he's got a German in there. U.S. Customs and Border Patrol, Alamogordo, New Mexico. Thank you. You too. He was just standing at his screen and he could see my trunk and trailer was x-rayed, just like the airport. And this off to the left of your screen is the White Sands National Park. It's kind of hard to see, but that's what it is. There we go. All right, guys, I'll get back to you. We are done for the night, guys. We are in Tucumcari, New Mexico, at some off-the-wall, random, I don't know, people parking wherever they want, however they want. I'm on a dirt lot. So we're gonna get dinner going. We're gonna call this a day. See, gotta get it set up right there. Crock pot right there. All right, guys,
Well, as you can see, my dirty glasses. Just 14-hour shift today, guys. A lot of high winds. Oh boy, was there ever some high winds. Woo! Yes. But we're done for the day. We're gonna roll the cords up. We're gonna get some dinner going, get the crock pot going, and yeah, we got 705.7 miles onto the day, and made a delivery on a pickup. So not a bad day considering there was a lot of high winds, a lot of dust. Yeah, I'm out of it. A 14-hour shift, guys. My apologies. So on that, guys, well, we're just gonna roll the cords up. We're gonna call this a day, and we'll get back to you tomorrow. At least maybe tomorrow. Most of the day should be under daylight hours. So from here, it's going back up through Dalhart, Texas, and then Hooker, Oklahoma, up through Liberal, Kansas, and let's see what else we go through. We roll over to Pratt, Kansas, and then up to Hutchinson, Kansas, pop out on Emporia, and then jump on 35 in Emporia and roll back up through Kansas City. So, yep, that's the route. So maybe we'll get some ranching in there. We'll get some, I don't know. Just as I'm wandering, I'm just a mess, guys. All right, guys, thanks for coming along on another episode of Steel Horse Travels, where the adventures continue and the journey always. I even got that mixed up. Where the journey continues and the adventures never stop. All right, guys, I love you. Welcome to the channel. Give it a thumbs up. And leave a comment. Put a comment down below as I get my finger in my own way. All right, guys. God bless. Love you. I'm out.